Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up a VPN on Mac. Firstly, click on the Apple icon in the upper left corner, then select System Preferences or System Settings on macOS or later, then click Network. Click the plus button in the lower left corner. In the interface drop-down menu, select VPN. Under VPN type, choose L2TP over IPsec. In service name, enter a custom name for your VPN, for example my VPN, then click Create. In the server address field, enter the VPN server address provided by your VPN provider. In the account name field, enter your VPN username, then click Authentication Settings. Under User Authentication, enter your VPN password, and under Machine Authentication, select Shared Secret and enter the secret key from your VPN, then click OK. Now, click Apply to save your settings, then click Connect to establish the VPN connection, and if you want quick access, check Show VPN Status in the menu bar. To disconnect, just click Disconnect. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.